Hello everyone and welcome to TrackNet's 60 Seconds to Success. I'm Ron Jones, Client Success Manager.
And I'm Craig Alexander, Client Support Manager.
And today we're here to talk to you about efficiency. We know our practices want to get things done as quickly as possible, and so we've added in a brand new feature called the Quick Scan button. Now, before you can start using it, we need to do a little bit of configuration first.
That's right. These steps are very simple, and once configured, you won't have to touch them again. Simply start by going to Tools at the top of your screen, then select Options. From here, expand the scanning section and choose your default settings. You can turn on or off your scanner interface, set it to scan as PDF or an image file, and set whether your scanner is a flatbed or document feeder style scanner.
That's right, and then once you've got that all set up, you never have to touch it again, and you can start scanning in as little as one click. And that is 60 Seconds to Success.